Hey guys, how's it going? Luis Sanchez here. Today I want to talk a little bit about cleanouts. Now right here in my hand I'm holding a cleanout right here, or they can call them a sanitary tee also. But you can see it's two-way directional, so if you install one on the outside of the house, you're able to go inside the house and do maintenance, or you can turn it and head out towards the other way. And so we recommend installing these on the outside of the house. However, we do see them inside the house, and that's probably not a good thing. Couple reasons is when you do the maintenance, it can get really messy. You can get sewage inside of your house or under the crawl space, and you know, they're really hard to get to. So yeah, so this is a two-way clean out right here, and as you can see, we've got one installed here along with the backflow preventer. And by the way, check out backflow preventer on our website, and you'll see a description and a short video explaining about the backflow preventer. Okay guys, just wanted to show you, give you a heads up on the clean out right here. They're very vital to have, especially when you do your maintenance, making sure your sewer line is kept clean and things are flowing really good. All right, take care and have a nice day.